Welcome to Flowgy. In this video we will learn more about the segmentation module. As soon as we load a CT scan, Flowgy automatically generates a segmentation of the CT scan. This helps us to save time and optimize the process. In any case, we can change this default function of the program by going to the Settings tab and disable the Automatic option. If we are happy with this segmentation, we could start working directly with it, either by eliminating the sinews, doing virtual surgery, or loading it in the CFD solver. If we believe that there is room for improvement, Flowgy provides us with a few tools to do so. As usual, the easiest option to find something in Flowgy is the workflow page. In the section 2, Segmentation, we have two buttons, Do Segmentation and Settings. It is important to mention that whenever we make a change in the segmentation, we must click on the Do Segmentation button, so that Flowgy reproduces the changes that we made. Well, let's see how to modify a segmentation. Flowgy takes us directly to the workspace, where we can change the parameters of the segmentation. As we can see, here we have the visualization of the CT scan next to the segmentation of the selected frame. On the left, as usual, we have the options to modify the segmentation of the CT scan. We can modify the threshold ratio with these values, or select different filters to make the image sharper, softer, etc. These filters are applied directly to the original image before performing the segmentation with the selected parameters. Flowgy allows us to apply the filters both to the original DICOM or image and to the images resulting from the segmentation or its corresponding addition during a virtual surgery. To do so, we have to go to the Filters tab. The image on the left is what we call input image, and it is the image to which we apply the corresponding filter. This image can be the original image, the segmented image, or the segmented and edited image with a virtual surgery. This is the image we are working with. The result of the filters is applied to the input image and/or the image we call output image. We can see it on the right side. The selection of the image on which we apply the filters is done through these options. The filters can be applied either to the frame we have currently selected or to all the CT frames with the option All. For example, let's apply a filter to the original segmented image and tell Flowgy to apply the filter result to the output image on the right. As we can see, the image is now much sharper. We are carrying out these modifications in the original image. But what if we want to apply some specific filters in a segmentation we have already worked with? For example, doing a virtual surgery. Let's say we want to apply a softening filter to this segmentation. To do this, we just have to bring the segmentation into the filter workspace. We do this by clicking on this button. Now we already have the segmentation here. Now we are going to apply a softening filter that will store in the image on the right. As we can see from the output image, the segmentation has been cleaned of imperfections. New changes must be updated via the Send to Current Nasal Cavity button. The image we send with this button is always the output image we have on the right, so the output option has to be activated if we want to send the results. And here we have the segmented image with the applied filter. With Flowgy, we can also work with segmentations made in other specialized segmentation programs. For this to work, we only need an NRRD file with a CT scan segmentation that we have saved with the segmentation program of our choice. Just go to File, Open NRRD, and select the file you want to upload. We can also take the file we want directly and drag it into Flowgy, whatever we want. Here we have the segmentation of a CT scan that we have made with another segmentation program. Flowgy will detect if this file contains a segmentation and make it available for editing and virtual surgery. And this is how we work with Flowgy's own segmentations and with segmentations that were made in other specialized programs for segmentations.